Rich Reese on the track.
Know what I'm saying? It's that smooth right here. You know what I'm saying? That Rich Reese on the track. You know what I'm saying? Perfect touch, auto blast. Perfect touch, auto blast. What's up? It's your boy, Swami Dollar, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. You got a cracked windshield? I'm your boy. You can call up at 804-466-4141 or hit me up on that .com. ptagrva.com. Servicing Richmond, Virginia and surrounding areas. It's that BBB. You know what I'm saying? Holla at me. Got that labor-free windshield replacement. Yeah, you heard me. That labor-free windshield replacement is going like crazy. Keeping me busy, satisfying Richmond and all the entire surrounding areas. 804-466-4141. Perfect Touch Auto Glass with a touch of perfection. You know what I'm saying? What's good? And let it be known that all replacement services are going to be featured in the upcoming videos. So yeah, your vehicle will be in the video, and if you want to be in the video for a little testimony or whatever, you know, I'm gonna put you up in that jump. You know what I'm saying? Just like my boy right here, who y'all about to see in a second. You know what I'm saying? Check him out.
Shout out to my dog Swag, man, coming through helping me out with the window. Happy New Year's been rough, man. Come back home, window busted. I had to call my dog. Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.